In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get icons in Figma quickly and easily, even if you've never used plugins before. This is one of the fastest ways to add clean, professional icons to your designs without having to leave Figma or download files manually. Whether you're making a UI mockup, wireframe, app design, or website layout, knowing how to pull in icons directly can save you a ton of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and go to the bottom toolbar. Look for the Actions button and click it. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, shortcuts, and plugin access points. Once the Actions menu opens, you'll want to switch over to the Plugins and Widgets tab. This tab is the place where you can browse and run plugins that extend Figma's functionality. Now, in the plugin search bar, type in a popular icon plugin such as Iconify or Icons8. These are widely used because they give you access to huge libraries of icons right inside Figma. If you see the plugin you want, click it to run it. Figma will open the plugin window, and from there you can start searching for the exact icon you need. Once the plugin is open, use the search field or browse through the categories to find your icon. For example, you might search for arrows, social media icons, interface symbols, or device icons depending on your project. Most plugins make it very easy to preview different styles, so you can quickly choose an icon that matches your design. After you find the icon you want, simply click it or drag and drop it straight onto your canvas. In many cases, the icon will appear instantly in your Figma file, ready for you to resize, recolor, or place into your layout. This makes it super convenient when you need icons fast and want everything to stay editable inside your design workflow. If you want to make your process even smoother, you can keep using the same plugin for multiple icons so all your visuals stay consistent. And if you're working on a full interface, it's a good idea to pick one icon style and stick with it throughout the project for a more polished look. And that's it. Now you know how to get icons in Figma using plugins like Iconify or Icons8. It's simple, fast, and a huge time saver for any designer. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Figma tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.